Hello everyone, welcome back to Clinical Research Info YouTube channel. Today's topic is quite different and it is a clinical trial registry in India. Few of the students are aware about the CTRI India and few of the students are not aware about the CTRI India. The students who are aware about the CTRI India are only having a knowledge theoretical related to like how you can register the clinical trials in particular in CTRI registration in India. Today I am going to show you in detail that you can find any of the like a hospital from this registration like a registry, and you can just have a look that which hospital is nearby at your particular domain area. And if you are looking for the job as CRC, so you should have idea that what particular hospital is conducting the clinical trials, and that thing you can track it from here. Now I will show you that how you can just track all those hospitals list from here. And so basically the CTRI is hosted from the ICMR, and it is completely free, and it was launched in 20th of July 2000 launched on the 20th of July 2007, which was initiated for the voluntary measure. But then on the 15th of June 2019, the CTRI has been made mandatory by the DCGI. That means what like in India, anywhere the clinical trials will be conducted, that should be registered in CTRI. Without the CTRI registration, the clinical trial should not be initiated. So moving towards the, I will navigate this website step by step. You will have an idea that how you can find the particular clinical trial which are going on in India. Okay. So moving towards, this is the home page. The second page is trial research, where you can find this trial by the study design, trial phase, whatever phase you are searching for, primary sponsor, recruitment status, any state, district level, or any particular keyword you are looking for, security code. This is just captcha type. Okay. So here the tips are also provided here. You can just have a look here. Okay, moving towards the advanced search. So in this particular advanced search, your search will be completely a narrow window, and it will be like particular for the ethics committee or particular sponsor pharma company you are looking for. For example, if you got a call from the HR, and if they ask you that they want to conduct an interview with you, and you are not aware that what trials are going on at their level, so you can just search here, you can just find it here, and you can just search here. Okay, so moving towards the FAQ. So this is frequently asked questions into CTRI, like what is CTRI, what is the primary registry, and these question answers also include at the patient level also. If patient is having any question, then how the answer should be. Then who is responsible for registered a trial? Why should a trial should be registered in CTRI? And if already been registered, then do I need to re-register again with the CTRI? So all these questions are mentioned here. You can just have a look, you can just go through all these questions, and you will have a clear understanding of the CTRI. And this thing is going to going to make easy your interview, because you will have a lot of knowledge about this CTRI and the stage of the clinical trial. You will get a lot of exposure from this thing. And also it is recommended that whenever you find any particular terminology which you are not aware, just Google it, just find it out that what is that particular terminology and what does it mean and how it is implemented into the clinical trials. That's what you can understand from this FAQ. Okay, moving towards the publications. So this area is for the any news bulletin is there, or any innovations in pharmaceuticals and pharmacotherapy. That all the informations you can get it from here. Moving towards the details of the person or the chairperson or the administrator, coordinators, and the member secretary, the staff members of the CTRI, you can get an idea about this. You can just go to the site map also about this. So this is the disclaimer, and this is the site map that what is actually this like an entire website is consist of. Okay, so in detail, I am going to show you that there is like a two sections here. One is the sign into the CTRI and second one is a keyword research. So what you have to, you don't need to understand, you don't need to go this part, sign into CTRI, because this part is needed when you want to register any clinical trials into this domain. At that time you should have the username and password. And if you want to understand the registration process of the CTRI, there are more than 2 or 3 videos available on YouTube from I think a few of the institutes. So you can just search into the YouTube that CTRI registration process, and you will learn towards that tutorial. I'm not going to make the registration tutorial. I'm going to make you understand that what particular hospital you are looking for, how can you track the nearby hospital which are conducting the clinical trials. Okay, so moving towards the, for example, if you are looking for the job at your particular level location. For example, if you are living in Hyderabad and you are looking for the job into the Hyderabad, so what you have to do is you have to put the keyword here as in Hyderabad. Just apply this captcha here and search it out. So the keyword research, you can keep the keyword research related to the city. Also, you can mention the particular indication, for example, diabetes or any neurology disorder or any cardiovascular disease. You are looking for the clinical trials and you want to understand that what particular clinical trial is going on in the osteoarthritis domain or something like that. So that what you can search into the keyword. So the keyword can, like keyword, you can use the keyword like any of the like a type of the trial, any recruitment status kind of, then also health condition that I have already mentioned, that indication, if any intervention, you can find it out with the medicine name also, the product name also, and location, but obvious that I have already mentioned. Okay, so this is the list of the clinical trials which are registered from 2009 to till date of the Hyderabad location. Now this will not just limit the Hyderabad, because some it may happen that the particular trial has conducted the at the different location of the India. So here are the list of the different hospitals where the trial was conducted, and Hyderabad might be somewhere mentioned into this trial list. That's what you have to you have to check, that is there any Hyderabad hospital in this like a list of the trials. What we have to do is you have to just control F. Okay, so when you will like Hyderabad, so you can, as you can see here, a lot of 185 results are found. So you can just click on here and you can see the Department of Medical Oncology is conducting the clinical trials. Again, to moving towards the Deccan College of Medical Sciences conducting the clinical trials. Again, moving towards the Deccan College. Okay, Yashoda Hospital is conducting the trials. Nizam's Institute is conducting the trials. That means that all these hospitals are in need of the CRC. There might be a CRC vacancies, or the vacancies are going to happen at that particular location. The main point of this video is that you can easily track all the hospitals of particular location, and you can just contact the particular hospital, and I'm going to show you also that how you can able to find a particular contact. So we have learned till here that we are going to find we how we will find the particular a hospital. Now moving towards the, for example, if I want to understand that how what is the contact number of this hospital, or if you want to understand, if you are not looking for the location but you are looking for the particular study design of the trial or something, you want to understand if you get interview call and you want to understand that what that particular company is conducting the clinical trials, and if you want to go into the detail, you can just grab all the knowledge from here. So what you have to do is you have to click onto the view. So once you click onto the view, the new window will pop up like this, and this is the complete detail of one clinical trials. Here it will be the CTRI number, on which particular date this registration information was modified by the particular company, that you can here postgraduate thesis. So here sometimes it may happen that the post graduation thesis may go going on, and if they are conducting the clinical trials in their thesis, so that those person has also mentioned should also mention the should also register the clinical trials in the CTR. So if any postgraduate thesis, they have to mention like yes or no, type of trials, type of study, study design, public study, public title of study, and a lot of information like who was the principal investigator over the hospital, what was the particular hospital, the list of all the hospitals like Pune, Mumbai, Kheda, Hyderabad, Bangalore. You can just get the information from here. Now here what will happen, that here the investigator, principal investigators contact numbers are mentioned in this particular a section, but as these phone numbers are of doctors, and doctors are very busy person on this planet, they are not going to answer your whatever you will be inquiring about, they are not going to answer. So what you have to do is, but just only you have to pick this address of particular hospital and copy this address into the LinkedIn, and find out the related CRC or related site manager of that particular hospital. That will that will be very easy to narrow your searching window, and you, or personally you can just visit the clinical research is like a department of this hospital, and you can just have a conversation with the hospital site manager that you are looking for this particular job. So in this COVID-19, I think personally visiting the hospital is also helpful to just to get the job and get the opportunity. And this is all about the CTRI. If you, because the CTRI is quite very big data is here, so I won't be able to cover each and every point in this a video. I just wanted to make you understand that how you can able to find a particular hospital, and you can just have a word with the particular site manager, and you can just have a look, and you can just explore this area also, instead of sitting and looking for the CRC job at the Naukri.com or Glassdoor or LinkedIn. So this is also one way to grab the opportunity. And best of luck for your future, and I hope so that this video makes you understand better, and you can able to find a job via this guidance, and I will be very happy. And if you want me to make a particular video on this CTRI, how to navigate the CTRI, what type of informations are available into the CTRI, I will prepare one video. If you want me to make a video, And if you want need any guidance further to this, please drop your message on my LinkedIn account. I will be happy to answer you. And please subscribe this channel, because whenever I will be uploading any video, you will not get any notification if you will not subscribe. So thank you for watching this video. Best of luck.